Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to tell you about one of the parts of speech called preposition. What do you mean by preposition? Preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, and location. This preposition indicates the relationship between the noun and other words such as noun, verb or adjective. I am going to explain it with certain examples. You can see cat sitting under the table. Where is the cat sitting? The cat is sitting under the table. So the word under shows the relationship between noun and the verb. Which is the noun in the sentence? The table is noun and the word sitting is a verb. So the word under indicates the relationship between the verb and the noun. There are different types of preposition which depends upon when, where and in which direction. That is preposition of time. The word when indicates the preposition of time, in, on, at, before, after. These words are used to show or indicate time. For example, my birthday falls in January. When is your birthday? If you normally ask, when is your birthday? One can answer, my birthday falls in January. The word in indicates the preposition of time. Another sentence, my vacation ends on Monday. When does your vacation end? My vacation ends on Monday. The word on indicates the preposition of time. At, it gets cold at night. When does it get cold? So at indicates the preposition of time. Now let us move on to the word where, which indicates preposition of place. Under, above, in, on, at indicates preposition of place. You can ask, sir, this in, on, at is also used to indicate the preposition of time. Don't be confused with. You have to see the situation where it is used, under which situation it is used. I will explain it with the examples. See, there is a table drawn and books are on the table. So where are the books? The books are on the table. See, the preposition of place. On indicates the preposition of place. Where? Another example, the plane is just below the cloud. Where is the plane? The plane is just below the cloud. So it explains the preposition of location or place. Let's move on to in which direction. The preposition of direction. The preposition of direction includes the words such as to, into, of, and from. To, into, of, from. Examples, we went to London last week. Where did you go last week? We went to London last week. So the word to indicates the direction, where. He went up the hill, you can see the image. Where did he go? He went up the hill. So up indicates preposition of direction. Which direction did he go? Hope, dear students, you are understanding what I am teaching. Next, move on to prepositional phrase. Hope you have idea about what is phrase. Phrase is nothing but group of words. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words which gives meaning but not complete meaning. So what is prepositional phrase? Group of words containing preposition. For example, the rabbits hopped through the garden. So here, through is a preposition. Since it is used with the garden, it is called the through the garden, and it is a prepositional phrase. Next example, the balloon drifted up the stairs. Up the stairs indicates prepositional phrase. The tiger crept slowly over the grass. In the sentence, over is a preposition. It is used with the word called the grass. Therefore, it is the prepositional phrase. So, the tiger crept slowly over the grass. Over the grass is a prepositional phrase. Once again, I am going to sum up everything that we have studied so far. First of all, what is preposition? You please recall what is preposition. Then types of preposition. There are three types of preposition which depends upon when, where, and which direction. That is preposition of time. Then preposition of place. Third one is preposition of direction. Preposition of direction. Then we moved on to prepositional phrase. What do you mean by prepositional phrase? The group of words containing preposition is called prepositional phrase. Thank you.